Hi, good evening everyone. Once again, I'm Red Rukutan from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines. And I'm a proud member of MMM. And I'm a member since May 2015. And last June 23, 2015, I provided help amounting 1,000 pesos. And last June 25, I asked an assistance worth of 1,100 pesos. And today, I get the whole amount of 1,100 pesos from two persons, from Rosero Jr., Gideon, and from C. Marvin. To these two persons, thank you very much for providing this amount. To the founder of MMM, to Sir Sergima Brody, thank you very much for creating MMM. And I want to get this opportunity to invite everyone to join us. Thank you, MMM, and long live MMM.